Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Kumusta na kayo dyan guys? How's your morning? Maulan-ulan ang morning natin guys. Naku, maulan. It's raining guys. So mabuti naman guys kasi habang umuulan nakaligo na ako guys. I feel fresh na guys, di ba? So maganda yon. Buti na lang hindi din ako naglaba kasi umulan talaga no. Naipaisip pa sana ako kanina maglaba. So yun ang update natin sa morning guys. Daily routine natin, 'di ba? So better naman feel good naman guys no kasi feeling good na guys kasi nakaligo na tayo early in the morning. So yun ang update natin. Nag-coffee na din at the same time guys, 'di ba? Kasi bago tayong ligo, kailangan makainom tayo ng mainit, 'di ba? Sarap naman ng coffee natin. So yun, I hope na maganda ang morning yun din dyan guys. You have a great morning, you have a nice morning. Maganda ang tulog, maganda ang gising. So diba, it's great. So yun lang ang update natin guys na this morning, no? So medyo maaga-aga ang ano natin ngayon. So ang iba dyan hindi pa nakaano. I hope na lahat na feeling fresh, nakapag-coffee na din, diba? So iba-iba ang mga daily routine natin guys, no? So ako early talaga din ako guys. Hindi ako pwede late magising, ganun kasi alam na guys, busy tayo sa munting tindahan natin. So yun lang ang update natin guys na I hope na you have a nice day and we have a a blessed day ahead, no? So keep safe everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day to all of us. Hello everyone. Good morning. We have a coffee. So Miming is there as you can see guys. Hala, si Miming guys. Now, we are here. Hello. Say to hello over there. Okay. Thank you so much. Miming is here. I think you are hungry already. Ming, no? Now? Hello, sus, I feel. Oh, you look so cute, Ming. Thank you. Hala, hello, do a bite? Thank you so much. Napaka-cute mo naman, Ming. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And keep safe, everyone. Have a blessed day to all of us. And a nice and a wonderful day ahead, guys. So, bye-bye. Bye.